Emma.
And I'm Yaab.
We are sixth graders coming from Lincoln Middle School in Alameda. Our project is called Make Big Changes.
The 4 R's we used are
Reimagine, rethink, repair, and restore. The first R is reimagine. Reimagine that the world can be a better place by picking up trash and sorting it at the right place. For example, we have mini figures that shows ways that can help.
The second R is rethink. Rethink is to think again and make a better decision on not to litter. The third R is repair. Take things that you don't need, like plastics or whatever, and make a great project like we did.
Lastly, the last R is restore. We collected data and plastic in our school and made different projects, such as ours, kind of like an artwork. Finally, we want to shout out to Miss Hardigan because we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for her. Thanks for listening.